Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today, I'll be teaching you on how to transfer money from Bybit to Revolut. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Revolut app. Then you want to go to crypto. And then here you go ahead and click on receive. And right here, as you can see, you can only deposit Bitcoin in Revolut. But they're working and also accepting deposits from different cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum or USDT, for example. But for now, you will need to use the Bitcoin. So right here, I'm going to copy my Bitcoin wallet address. Now, as you can see, the network we need to use is also Bitcoin. So now, what you want to do is to open up the Bybit app, and once you're in Bybit, what you want to do is to go to assets in the bottom right. And here, click on the withdraw. Now here, if you own some Bitcoin, it will show it right here. Now for this example, I click on Ethereum, but you want to select Bitcoin since that is the one that we need. Now here you can paste in the address that we just copied from Revolut. Now for the network right here, it doesn't show it because I pick Ethereum, but you will pick the Bitcoin or BTC network since that is also the one that is shown on Revolut. Then for the amount, just choose how much you want to transfer over Revolut, and when then you click on withdraw on the bottom, it will show up in your Revolut wallet. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.